This dance is called I Sold My Soul. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, absolute beginner stroke beginner level line dance with 1 restart. Starting on the right foot with some heel switches. So you're going to touch your right heel forward, then step the right back beside the left. Touch your left heel forward, step the left back beside the right. Those are your heel switches. You're then going to stomp the right forward and then stomp the left beside the right. Now when you go on these stomp steps, go down through the heel of the foot, don't go down flat-footed. You're then going to leave your toes where they are and move both heels out and then back into the centre. So some heel splits. That set of steps once more then. Heel switch off on the right. 7, 8. Heel and stomp, stomp, heel, split. We're actually going to do that twice. So let's just do it once more. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8. Heel and stomp, stomp, heel, split. So that's what we do. 2 sections of those heel switches, stomps and heel splits. So let's just put 2 of those together. Off on the right. 7, 8. Heel and stomp, stomp, heel, split. Heel and stomp, stomp, heel, split. So we're going to add on some side touches. So you come out of that last set of heel splits, you put your weight back on that left so you can travel off on the right. So you're going to step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, and as you do so, clap. Step the left back to the side, touch the right beside the left, and clap. So there's no weight on these touch steps at all. We're then going into a slow chassé to the right. So you're going to step the right to the side, left beside right, right to the side, and then step the left beside the right again. That set of steps once more then, side touches on that chassé. Off on the right. 7, 8. Side touch and clap, side touch and clap, side, close, side, close. Let's add that to the top. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8. Heel and stomp, stomp, heel, split. Heel and stomp, stomp, heel, split. Side, touch, side, close, side, close. You're then going to step the right to the side again. Hold for 1 beat or count. You're then going to make a quarter of a turn to the left. So you're actually going to be turning left, but you're going to leave that left foot where it is, effectively. It's just going to turn, and as you do so, make sure you do turn your whole body, don't leave it twisted. You're then going to hold again, and then run forward 4 steps, right, left, left. That set of steps once more then. Step into the side on the right. 7, 8. Side, hold, turn, hold, run, 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 run. End of the dance when we get to that point. Let's put it all together. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8. Heel and stomp, stomp, heel, split. Heel and stomp, stomp, heel, split. Side, touch, side, close, side, hold, turn, hold, run, 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 run. So that is your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8. Heel and stomp, stomp, heel, split. Heel and stomp, stomp, heel, split. Side, heel split, heel and stomp, stomp, heel split, side touch, side close, side, hold, turn, hold, run, 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 heel and stomp, stomp, heel split, heel and stomp, stomp, heel split, side touch, side close, side, turn, run, 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 run. So hopefully you managed to follow that, especially as I missed out the word hold in that last wall. So that is your dance. Now we have got one little restart in this dance. It actually comes on wall 4, which is our 3 o'clock wall, after 8 counts. So you do your first set, heel switches, stomps and heel split, and you restart the dance. So you effectively do that 3 times until you get to that wall for the first time. So let's have a go. Wall 4, 8 counts, restart, so you can see how it actually fits in. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8, heel and stomp, stomp, heel split, restart, heel and stomp, stomp, heel split, heel and stomp, stomp, heel split, side touch. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. So you just end up doing it 3 times on that wall. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough, and your restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Heel and stop, stop, heel split. Heel and stop, stop, heel split. Side touch, close, side, turn, run, 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 run. Heel and stop, stop, heel split. Heel and stop, heel split. Side touch, close, side, turn, run, 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 run. Heel and stop, heel split. Heel and stop, heel split. Side touch, close, side, turn, run, 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 run. Heels, it's your restart wall. Restart, heel and stop, heel split. Heel and stop, heel split. Side touch, close, side, turn, run, 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 run. Heels, side touch, side, heels, heels, side touch, side turn, heels, side touch, side turn, hope you managed that one.